Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tapshi Tech and Reviews. In today's video, let's see how to convert image to PDF in your phone. So yeah, without wasting any time, let's get in the video. Please enjoy. So did you all know that you can convert any of your images to PDF on your iPhone? There's a built-in feature for that. So recently I wanted to convert one of my ID card or PAN card to PDF. I had it in image format, so I didn't want to upload it to some server to convert it because those are personal documents and don't want that to be misused. So I was looking for a way in iPhone itself wherein you can convert the image to PDF. That's when I found this. So not just convert to PDF, you can convert an image to a different format as well. So let's say for example I have this image. So if I see get info, so this is a JPG format. So if you want to convert it to PDF, what you have to do is it's simple. Let's not waste any more time. There's a quick action option. So if you see here, there's create PDF. So if you create PDF, only that image aspect ratio would be converted to PDF. It would not create it in the A4 format. That is one more benefit, and the size also would be reduced. So if you see here now, so there's a PDF file. So 5 MB was the file, 1.6 MB it has changed to. So if you use any other tool, they would change it to A4 format, and the size would also come up to about 5 MB, which most of the website doesn't allow. It asks for the PDF size to be less than 2 MB. So this is one good shortcut to convert image to PDF, that too in a very small size. And also if you want to convert the image, you can convert the image to a different format. So if you click on convert image, there is option JPEG, PNG or HAIF. So JPEG and JPG is the same format. So PNG, if you want, you can convert it to that as well. So apart from that, you can remove background option is also available here. So if you look into quick action, you will find all these options. So this is one good trick to convert your image to PDF, and also convert your image to a different format, PNG or HAIF. So yeah, that's a quick video which I wanted to make. Let me know if it was useful. If you like the video, please hit like button, subscribe, comment. Let's catch again next video. Until then, see you. Bye.